On a day like this, what are you doing not getting on a trail? Seriously, come on, trails rule.
Call it love, call it true, call it all of the things that wait for the morning sun.
It is 5 days until my race. I'm out here at Moraine Nature Preserve for a little training run. But maybe more importantly, I'm out here nice and early for birds. So I kind of grew to really love birds. I'm not an expert bird or anything. I'm aspiring. I don't even own binoculars yet. But I really enjoy seeing and hearing them, and I realize this. And part of the reason I love biking and trail running is because you get in places where you don't see all the same stuff all the same time. I just saw a yellow warbler over here a little bit ago, and it is really, really neat to be in places like this and see stuff like this. Growing up, my family always went to the Boundary Waters up in northern Minnesota every summer. And up there in the 90s was really the only time you could see bald eagles. And we'd see them up there every year. And I just really grew to love those birds, and then birds of prey. And then I started playing Wingspan, the board game, and I'm like, wait, all birds are cool. As you've noticed if you follow this channel, almost always when I'm running and when I'm biking, when I'm paddling, I'm on the lookout for birds. And today we're gonna see if we can see and hear some. I'm gonna put all this into my birding app just to see which birds is here. I'm not great at identifying them, especially on sound, but I can tell from where I'm standing, I'm hearing a lot of sounds I don't normally hear. So we're gonna put it in the birding app, and if you're a birder, let me know what you're hearing. And sadly, with my trail cam, I can't get much good footage of them. This is so wide, especially like small songbirds and stuff won't really come up on this camera. But we can at least go for a run, have some fun, and look around for some stuff. Okay, there is a yellow warbler in the tree right here, like as we're talking. I wonder if I can get it. Flew away. I don't know if I got that on camera or not. One other really cool thing about this trail that I'll show you here at the end, it has one of the most technical sections for any hiking, running trail in Northwest Indiana. It's only a mile, but it's really tricky, really rutted, very up and down, really fun. So if you're a runner, check it out, or hiker, check it out. Goldfinch. All right, here starts the single track. Like I said, pretty rugged. I'm gonna need to check for ticks after 2. So we get down to this creek bed here, we climb back up. We'll get to the end, and loop back and do it all again. The hills never come across on camera. This is hilly, I swear. I promise. It's hilly. Especially this section. The mowed path on the other side, there's not many hills. It's pretty level. But this, both hilly and techy, as you can see. This little mini parking spot. Sometimes I'll park here and do the route as a lollipop, do the single track, then do the field, then come back.